Tomorrow, we will be celebrating the 79th anniversary of India's independence. On that day, we will remember the sacrifices of our freedom fighters who gave up their life and fought bravely for our nation's liberation from colonial rule. It's a day to honor their courage and dedication and to reflect on the values they championed.
All respected teachers, as tomorrow is Independence Day, I myself today will talk about it. I will describe the Independence Day on about 3 points. Point number 1, why Independence Day is celebrated. Point number 2, it is the significance or the importance of Independence Day. Point number 3, what can we do as a citizen? Okay, we'll go through it. Point number 1, why Independence Day is celebrated. Independence Day is celebrated in India because on 15 August 1947, our nation brought freedom from the British colonial rule in 1947. After a year of sacrifice and struggles, on this day we observe the holiday in order to honor our freedom